Hello guys, welcome back to the new lecture. In this lecture I am going to show you how to remove object from any photo. So without any further delay, let's get started. In this case, as like before, you can remove object from any photo in different way. So don't worry, in this lecture I will show you best method that you can follow. So look the photo. In this photo we can see some unexpected object, right? For example, this one, another one. For seeing properly, I am zooming. Just press Ctrl plus from your keyboard, or if you want to use Mac, then press Command plus. Now I drag it like this. Please see, this is our unexpected object. Now I want to remove the object. For that reason I will select paste tool. That's why I click here and click right button and choose paste tool. At the time I will select the object like this. Now I will move the selection object like this. Suppose in the place I want to replace. That's why I will keep the selection area in here like this. Now I press Ctrl D for unselect. Hey guys, now follow the place. The unexpected object has been gone, right? At the time, if you want to make more perfect the place, then you have to select spot healing brush tool like this. Just select here and choose spot healing brush tool. Now I will click this area like this. Now please follow guys, it's look fully natural, right? By this process I will remove all object, just follow the process. Hey guys, please follow, all object has been gone. Now I will do zoom out, that's why I press Ctrl minus like this. This is our correction photo. There is no object available, and it's our previous photo. There are some object available, right? So guys, I hope in this way you can easily remove any types of object from your photo. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you next lecture. So stay connected.